at Walgreens and I am excited to go shopping. There's some great deals, some candy deals. I can't remember what else, but there is some freebies, so I'm excited. So I'm going to go inside, show you guys some deals that I do with some deals that I don't. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come back out here. I'll show you my haul, everything I paid for, any problems that I had so you guys can know. And then I will also have a printable breakdown for you guys. So again, that's awesome. Let's go inside and go shopping. Here we have the Irish Spring and the soft soap for $3.99. Now there's two different scenarios that you can do. We do have a 50-cent off digital coupon for the soft soap, and we have a 50-cent off coupon for the Irish Springs. You want a digital coupon? You want to use both of those digitals, you pay $6.98, but then you get a $5 cash rewards when you buy two of them. Comes out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents each. But if you guys have the insert coupons for the Irish Spring, you're gonna buy two of these, use the two insert coupons from today, you'll end up paying just $5.98, but then you get that $5 cash rewards. Comes out to be just 98 cents or 49 cents each. You can also do the two Irish Springs plus the Irish Spring and the soft soap if you wanted to, and you'll get $10 back in points when you do that. So here we have the Kotex on sale, 2 for $10. You can get the tampons, or you can also get the pads that are 2 for $10. Make sure you scan them because some of them don't pop up. But anyways, we do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon or a $1 off digital coupon. If you're going to use the 3 off of 2, you'll end up just paying, you use the $3 off coupon, you'll end up just paying $7. But then you actually get 50 cents back with Ibotta times 2. So you'll get 50 cents back with Ibotta, plus I have a 10-cent anything. Your total, then you'll get a $4 cash rewards. Comes out to be just $2 or $1 each. Or you can buy 4 of them, use the $3 off a 2 digital coupon, the $1 off digital coupon, and the $1 off printable coupon. You'll pay $15, but with Ibotta you'll get $2 back, 50 cents times 4, and you'll get $8 cash rewards. Comes out to be just $5 or $1.25 each, depending on what you want to do. And submit your receipt to fetch rewards and you get points for that too. So here we have the Gillette for $3.59. We have this one for $3.59 and this one for $3.59. They're currently buy one get one 50% off. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You'll end up paying $5.38, but in the ad there is a deal where if you buy 2 of them, you get a $4 register reward. Comes out to be just $1.38 or 69 cents each. If you like these ones are $3.29, buy one get one 50% off. You'll end up paying $4.93, but then you'll get a $4 register reward, making these 93 cents or just 46 cents each. Now you can do these deals as many times as you want, but they each have to be in separate transactions, and do not roll the gift card. So do not roll the register reward. So do not use the register reward you got from this transaction to roll this one. It will not print. So just want to give you guys a heads up, but that's a great deal. So there's 2 different scenarios that you guys can do for this. You can buy a Schick or a Skintimate razor for $5.99. There is a $4 off digital, or there is a $4 off insert coupon that you can use. Then you want to buy the one that's $8.99 and use the either $3 off digital or the $3 off insert coupon. And then you can also get the Edge shave cream or the Skintimate for $2.99 and use either the $1 off digital or the $1 off insert. When you spend $15, you'll end up getting a $5 cash rewards. So you end up paying just $9.99, but then you'll get that $5 cash rewards. Comes out to be just $4.97 or $1.65. Or what you can do is you can buy 3 of the $5.99 razors. You want to use 2 paper coupons and 1 digital coupon. You'll end up just paying $5.97. Get that $5 cash rewards. Comes out to be just 97 cents or 32 cents each. Do not pay with cash rewards unless you're doubling it. I just say don't pay with cash rewards. The Reese's are the candy of the week or treat of the week. So you guys want to buy 2 of them for $1.99. We actually have a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. Your final price will just be $2.98 or $1.49 each. If you guys have some hankering for some Prego, these are actually on sale for buy one, get one free. So you want to get them for the $2.99 price. But we do have a 75-cent off a 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You'll end up just paying $2.24 for 2 of them. That comes out to be $1.12 a piece if you need to do this deal. The Crest Toothpaste is on sale for $3. You guys want to buy 2 of them? We do have a $1 off insert coupon from our P&G that you can use. So you want to use 2 of those. You'll pay $4, but you actually get $4 cash rewards, making your purchase absolutely for free. Here we have the toothbrushes, the multi-pack for $4.99. There's this one, and then there's this one for $4.99. You want to use 2 $2 off coupons from the P&G insert. You'll end up just paying $5.98, but you do get a $5 register reward when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just 98 cents for both of them, or 49 cents each. So we have some Colgate Toothpaste on sale for $3.99. We do have a $4 off a 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You'll pay $3.98, but you do get a $5 register reward when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be a $1.02 moneymaker. Hello everybody, welcome. There's a fire truck behind me, but anyways, I'm here to share with you guys my Walgreens haul. It was awesome. I had a nice conversation with, the cashier. I was telling her how, like, one time I was at a store and I had the store manager follow me around the store because she thinks I was shoplifting. And I told the cashier that I was dealing with today, I said, you know what? I make a profit by couponing and paying for my things than if I would steal them, I'm like, that's funny. So anyways, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens today. So I ended up doing the Schick razors. Now I did this in a separate transaction. I did 2 transactions, but I did this in a separate because I didn't want to pay with points because it's a spend deal unless you have over $15 worth of coupons plus other stuff. Like, there's ways around it, but I just do it this way. So these were $5.99. I used 2 paper coupons, and then I used 1 digital $4 off coupon, so 3 $4 off coupons. You pay $5.97, but then you get $5 cash rewards, making these just 97 cents or 32 cents each. Great deal if you guys need some razors. I did the toothpaste. The Colgate Toothpaste, it reminds me, I gotta make sure my 1 coupon came off correctly. Okay, so I had a $4 off digital and a $2 off digital for the Colgate, and the $4 off one came. I didn't unclip it. I've noticed that sometimes that the system's been taking the higher value if you don't unclip the lower value ones. But these were $3.99. My store had no shopping carts because a lot of people steal the shopping carts. So I had to carry everything in my hands in a basket, and it was just like, it was hilarious on all the stuff that I had to carry. So I don't know. I know that's not important, but I just wanted to tell you guys that's my ADD and me. But anyways, $3.99 for Colgate. The reason why I said that is because I was like all over the place when I was trying to figure out some deals. But there is a 4 off a 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You pay $3.98, but you get a $5 register reward when you purchase 2 of them. Comes out to be a $1.02 moneymaker. If you guys need some toothpaste, go for it. I also did the Crest Toothpaste. Now, I didn't have any digitals. You guys may have digitals. I think I've noticed with Walgreens, they give you like a digital for the whole month, and then if you use it at the beginning of the month, it's not available unless there's other scenarios. But anyways, we got the Crest Toothpaste. These were $3. I used 2 $1 off coupons that we got from our P&G. You'd pay $4 for this, but you get $4 cash rewards, making these free. So got that. Okay, the next deals we got is the Kotex Deal. Now there's 2 different scenarios for this. I just did it this way because I have a deal where if you spend $30 with Fetch Rewards, you get more points, so that's the reason why I did that. But anyways, you could buy 2 of this Colgate products, and these are 2 for $10. Now, I forgot to say this in the breakdowns. Make sure you guys scan each product because I scanned the regular Kotex on Ibotta and it did not work. So make sure you guys are scanning these products with Ibotta to make sure that you know that they work. But anyways, you can buy 2 of these. There is a 2 for $10. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you would use. You would pay $7, but there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta times 2, and you get a $4 cash rewards, making these just a $2 or $1 each, which is an okay deal. You know, from $5 to $1, I think that's a pretty great deal. Or you can do this scenario, like I said, I wanted to hit the fetch ones. So you paid, you get four for $20 basically. You have a 3 off of 2 digital, a $1 off digital, and then I had a $1 off printable. You'd pay $15 for the 4 of these, but you can submit a Ibotta rebate times 4 for 50 cents. So you get $2 back with Ibotta, and you get points for fetch rewards. So these come out to be just $5 or $1.25 each, which is still a decent deal if you guys want to do that. I love Reese's peanut butter. I don't like eating them by themselves. If I really have a hankering for them, I will. But otherwise, I like cutting them up and putting them in ice cream. So good, delicious. So these were the treat of the week. These were $1.99. Now I am so frugal when it comes to getting more bang for my buck that I always read the ounces on all of these, because some of them are like 9 ounces and some of them are 10, and I want the one that has the more ounce. I know it's weird, but anyways, there is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You end up just getting these for $2.98, or why did I not, or $1.49 each. $1.49, which is an okay deal. I did the the Oral-B toothbrushes. Now these were $4.99. I used 2 $2 off coupons from the P&G. You would end up just paying $5.98, but then you get a $5 register reward when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just 98 cents or 49 cents each, which is a pretty decent deal for 4 toothbrushes. These are great items if you guys ever need to donate stuff. These are perfect for donating. I did the Gillette series. Now I always got the cheaper ones, but throughout the years I've noticed that nobody uses that shave cream except my stepdad, and my kids use it in the shower to make foam art. Like, I just stopped and get that, but these are the ones that my husband really likes. So these were $3.59 at buy one get one 50% off. The other ones were $3.29. But you want to use the ones at $3.59. You would pay $5.38 for the both of these, but there is a $4 register reward. I ended up getting a $5 register reward. That's weird. I got a $5 register reward, unless it was for something else. But anyways, got that. But if you do get the $4 register reward, it's $1.38 or 69 cents. But somehow I had a $5 register reward that printed out. So I ended, no, I got the wrong thing. It's the $4 register reward. Sorry, you guys, $4 register reward. I got the Oral-B and the Colgate is the 5. Anyways, $4 register reward, making $1.38 or just 69 cents each, which is a decent deal. And then we got the Irish Springs. These were $3.99. You want to use 2 $1 off insert coupons that we got today. There are some digitals, but those are for 50 cents. So use those. You guys would end up paying $5.98, but you get $5 cash rewards, making it just 98 cents or 49 cents each. So yes, that was my haul, you guys. Pretty decent haul. You know, I like to get a variety of stuff. I just like to get varieties. But my store was really behind on putting sale tags up, so like some things I wasn't sure what was what. And yeah, but my total came to $38.36. Now when I tell you guys that total, that's my actual total, but that's not figured what I actually pay, because I pay with points. I also pay with register rewards, but that price is before points and before register rewards. But $38.36, I received $14 worth of register rewards, and then I received $28.47 for points. I got points for the Crest Deal, I got points for Irish Spring, I got points for the Schick, I got points for the Kotex, which was 10 bucks or $8 right there. And then, yeah, so I got a lot of points. And then I had a booster. So I think I had spend 22, you get $6. So that might have been factored in too. I don't figure those out, I just let it be. But with Ibotta, I received $2.10. I got $2 for the Kotex, and then I had a 10-cent any feminine product. And then with Fetch Rewards, I scanned it. It comes out to be 195 points, which is 19 cents. Yes. Anyways, my grand total came to a $6.40 moneymaker. I got everything for free and I made a profit, which I am loving it, loving it, loving it. That's why I was like telling the cashier, I'm like, I can make a profit by purchasing my items. Like, yeah, that's just, it's just funny. But anyways, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy it. Help me get to 50,000. I am like 500 away, a little bit more than 500 people away. Subscribe to my channel, you guys. When I hit 50,000, I'm going to be doing some giveaways. I am so excited. A lot of you guys have been waiting for this, and 50,000 is a huge, huge thing. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you guys have any awesome deals that I totally missed. But anyways, I will see you guys all later. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for supporting me. See you guys later. Bye-bye.